Hello, hi. Good morning, everyone.
Hello, good morning.
Morning. Yesterday we have covered something right over the def functions, I think. And I have given you one homework to build a logic for a calculator using the def functions, I think, right? Am I audible properly?
Yes,
Hello, am I audible?
yes,
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so Panchajanya, what do you have done?
yeah.
I've built the logic.
Yes, I mean, I tried that in the mm, Python, sorry, online editor. If you want me to, I can do that in the Colab as well.
Yeah, show that. Share a screen.
Yeah, just a second. Do you want me to do it once again right now? Okay.
No, go above. Go above.
Sorry?
Go above. You have like my
Okay.
phone return 5 into x. This is what the
This is just for my practice.
okay,
That's
okay.
whatever I've done this. Yeah.
No, I just want to like build up overall logic to design a calculator, right? There will be like a
Yeah, yeah,
one pressing one, there will be the subtraction pressing two, there will be like the addition operation.
sure.
Vamsi,
I'll
I
do
think
that.
we have done this before, right? This logic,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can try the
Or do
Panchajanya.
you?
You can try it. Okay.
Yes,
If
yes,
it's
I
not right,
already did. I already did that in the Python online editor. Like it's easy. Like for the basic calculator, we can do like we can define the function. We can give like the name for add, and we can input the two values in that, and then we can immediately call like suppose if it is addition, just do like return the value like addition like n1 plus n2, and in the same way subtraction and the multiplication and then the division. Suppose these are the four ones, and then after defining these four functions, then we can go for the uh, suppose if you want to do like addition or subtraction, we'll just give one. We will just name it as like 1 2 3 4 for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and then we will just give for we'll just give one input for select one of the operations. Then since we've given two parameters inside the function like n1 or n2, then for n1 we will take the input from the user input, and then same n2 also for the user input. And then since we've chosen since we have set numbers for each of the operations, suppose if you select some two or three, suppose if it is multiplication or division, suppose if we select three, then it will return the value from like the statement. If it is three, it will return, then it will return the value from that function by calling the multiplication function, and then it will print the value of n2 or n3 or sorry n1 and n2 or something like that.
okay. Vamsi, do you want to add up
Yeah.
something?
No.
Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Let me share my screen. Okay. Mm, is my screen is visible to you or not?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Okay. So first I am going to define the function like calculator function, right? Inside
Mm-hmm.
this we have to make the operation, not exact operation, but the we can say the option to choose the operation, right?
Okay.
First, if you want to take on a message like welcome to the calculator, you can do this thing, but I'm going to skip that, right? I'm just going to forward with
Okay.
the one for press like the addition,
Yeah.
right? And it
Yeah.
is like very simple, right? Second for doing the subtraction, right? And third one I want to do, sorry, do the multiplication, right? And
Yeah.
the fourth one I want to do it here, the we can say the division, right? So division, okay. Right now I just want to make only the for operation here, okay. So what do you have to do
Okay.
here? You have to make a choice, right? So
Choose
choice is gonna
choice.
be
Yeah.
can you put the float here for choice?
Yeah.
No,
Of course we
no,
can put
no,
because
no, no. How choice can be the float? Either it may be 1 2 3.34,
ah
right?
sorry. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so it will be
Yeah,
only
yeah.
the
We
int.
since we are given
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, it will be only the integer, nothing else.
Okay,
Okay.
choice. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, enter the choice, okay, of operation. Got it? Then what we have to do it here? Now we have to make it the condition. If
Yeah. Choice
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 is
equals
one,
1 a, we have to
then
take two integer value, not
integers.
integer.
Yes.
I can take input only. It may be the float and int as well, not it is
Yeah.
not defined, right?
yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
So enter the first number, right? And the b will be defined as the input of enter the second number. Got it? After that,
We just written the
To
value of a.
return the a plus b.
a plus b.
Simply print a plus b.
A plus b. See,
Yeah.
if we will build the logic like this, we have to take these two number in every operation, in every this choice, right? So to skip this,
Yeah.
what we have to do? We have to
We
make
can do
this
that.
choice. We have to make this choice what? For permanently, like we have to make it this. We have to delete this thing first, or simply we have
Inside the
to
if condition.
if choice in, let's suppose there is an option 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or you can say like was that 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, okay. So what we have to do it here? Then we have to make it the if input and b input, right? Got it?
Yeah.
Now here
Yeah.
we have to make the condition if choice sorry equals 1, then simply we have to print what? Print
A
a
plus b.
plus b, right?
Choice
Again,
is two, then
if
a minus b.
Mm-hmm.
Elif, right?
elif we will use, yeah, good. Elif
Mm-hmm.
the choice equals
Which
2,
equals to
then we have to print
Print a
what?
minus b.
A
a minus
minus
b.
b. Again, it's like a minus b. A may be the less, or a may be the greater than b, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there is a one modulo function here. Simply a minus b. It's already understand a minus b is what? Always give you the positive value,
Integer.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Elif choice equals 3.
Choice equals to 3.
So
Then
print a into
into
b.
b.
Last one, elif or else.
Elif.
Elif
Else
choice equals 4. Then print a
with
divided
a
by b.
divided by b.
Now condition for else.
Else invalid input. We can do that.
To check the annotation. Okay. Invalid input. Fine.
Yeah.
Now it's completed. Run this. If there is like any error, it will give you the highlight. Okay, fine. Now the term is to call that main function. Okay, so
Call
we
the
will take
function.
the
Yeah.
main function here, right? So
Main or calculator.
we have to call the calculator.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay.
right? What do we have to do?
You have to
If you
pass the arguments.
calling this main function will work or not? Make it some more simple. Only call the calculator. Make it here the print, right?
Yeah.
Enter your choice 3.
Multiplication.
Why it's not working? Yeah. Okay. Interrupted by user. The choice is 2. Hmm. I think there is an issue in my laptop keyboard or what something. I'm just pasting this piece of code of the logic, right? Try to run in this your own, whatever the ID you are using. Got it? The same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And just let me know whether it is working or not.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyone just share your screen and please do this piece of code. Yeah, Vamsi, you please share your screen
Yeah. Yeah.
and run the same piece of code that I have shared.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Right. Run this. Call the calculator function. Wait, it's giving error. Elif.
Just a second. I think it didn't copy. This is not the this choice. Actually, can you paste the code once, or else I can get it from it. Just a second.
Yeah, I tried that. I called a calculator without any parameters or in it. It says enter the choice. I've entered 2 and it says none.
Oh, can you share your screen once because I wasn't able to.
Yeah, just a second. Can you see this?
Yeah.
So yeah, when I give the options like a 2 or something, it says none.
Because
Mm-hmm.
I think in the print statement we gave above above. Oh yeah, the choice is equals to enter the choice of operators. Do we have to mention like 1 to 4 or from there?
What else we can do to build that logic if it's not working? Something else.
Within the same logic or using a different one?
Same.
Okay, okay, just let me see.
Okay, it's working, so we have to make a choice. Then
This statement is choice statement is working fine and it's going inside the if condition, and after this it's not going.
I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
Design the same logic with a little bit in different format, right? Is it clear?
Okay.
Is it visual? So
Yeah.
making the choice here, right?
Yeah.
So enter the choice, maybe 1. This is what the choice for it, option. Fine. Then
Yeah.
taking the number, right? Okay, so it may be like we can take the a. Okay, float or int, it may be the float as well, right?
Yeah.
And input, enter the first number. Got it. Float, sorry, enter the second number.
In choice, enter the choice 1, 2, 3, 4 in closer bracket. 4.
I have missed something. Okay,
Uh,
this one,
yeah.
right?
4. Yeah.
Okay, till now is it fine? Logic is good.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
now choice.
If choice.
If choice equals 1, what do we have to do? We have to simply print.
Replace the
What do we have to return it here? This is what f is going to be used for format, but we will simply do the a plus b.
plus B.
And if the choice equals second, if the choice is second, what do we have to do? To print a minus b, right?
Yeah.
And if choice equals 3, what do we have to do? Print a into b. Again, if choice equals 4,
4.
then what do we have to do?
And A plus B. A divided by B.
Print a divided by b. And what we can take, else print
Yeah, let's
Can we
invalid.
include a logic in a division, like if
Yeah,
B is equals to 0? It's
yeah,
no.
you can include. It's up to you. There is a like different edge cases. So if you want to handle that edge cases, like a is 0, there is going to be the infinity, right? Sorry, b is 0,
Yeah.
so there is will be the you will got the what, infinite, right?
Infinite,
Right,
undefined.
so undefined result, you will find the result. So you can just handle the different test cases. That I am going to make a simple logic, right? So it's up
Yeah.
to you, you can
Yeah.
just define as well, handle that one, right?
Mm.
So okay, till now is it fine?
Mm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is fine.
Now calling simply the same, we have to call the calculator.
Calculator.
Does we have to pass something in this?
No.
I am entering 2 and enter. Why it's not taking, man? Now run the same piece and code and try it. It should be work, but I think it should be. I think the collab is shared with you, right? Already.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
trying in it.
Panchajanya, Vamsi, and Hasina. Okay, yeah, already shared.
Yeah,
Right.
actually,
Yeah.
it is working. It is working in my thing. Let me share my screen.
Yeah. I think this is the fault of my keyboard. Enter is not pressing it here from my side. Okay, leave it, man.
Can
Mm,
you see my screen?
just wait, just wait. Yeah, I can see your screen here.
So,
Enter the number, enter the choice.
yeah, choice of one. Sorry, just a second.
Okay, run it again. Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's working fine. Yeah, it's simply working. But in my case, it's not working. Okay, it's like my fault. Okay, no worries. Okay, so this is what
Yeah,
a
it's working
simple.
in mine as
Yeah,
well.
yeah. So it's about a simple logic, right? What we have missed
Yeah.
is because the same logic we have write it above the things, right? So what I have
Yeah.
missed it here. Previously it was not working. Right now it is working in your ID, but my ID is also not working here. Okay. By the way, this is what a simple logic how we can define using the def functions, right? So whenever you would have to define a something, right? So we have to just use our def functions, got it? And we have to simply call it.
Mhm.
Now there is one more thing. We have to design a logic for a factorial. Factorial, you know factorial?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Factorial of 3, we have to expand the 3, 3 cross 2 cross 1. Factorial of 5, we have to expand the 5, 5 cross 4 cross 3 cross 2 cross 1. Okay, so yeah, try it out. Try it out to design the logic for a factorial using the def functions, and then we will do this. Okay, we have to handle the edge case as well.
0 factorial is 1, right?
Exactly. What about the 1? 1 factorial is also 1.
It's a
One.
1, yeah.
Yeah, so we have to define the 2 edge cases as well. So yeah, do it, try it.
Okay.
Anyone please share the screen? Vamsi? Hello?
Yeah, just a
Yeah.
second.
Mm-hmm. First of all, no, don't write the code. First of all, let me know the logic of the factorial. How actually factorial works. Let's suppose there is a number b, right? So how you will calculate the factorial of a b? What will be the syntax for that, right? I want that snippet, code snippet, that pseudo code. You are mute, Vamsi. You are mute.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah. So for if b is value like b is equals to 0 or b is equals to 1, so the answer should be 1. And for anything other than b, so the number should, for example, if its result is equals to 1, we have to use a for loop. And the
For
number in the range
for
of
for loop? Why? Why for
for
loop?
like
We can use without the
uh,
for loop as well. The simple logic, we can use the without for loop as well. Let's suppose you have a number n. How the n is gonna expand in case of factorial n multiply n minus 1. Let's suppose there is a 5. Expand the 5.
yeah,
5 cross 4 cross 3 cross 2 cross 1 cross 0.
yeah,
Right?
yeah,
So n cross n minus 1 is running till 0. 0
0,
will be the edge case. We have to handle it first, right?
yeah,
Got it. So yeah,
yeah,
define the function def factorial of n, right? Factorial of n, inside the factorial of n. Now inside this function we have to handle the edge case. If n equals 0, if n equals 0, or n equals, do we have to define the, do we have to handle the n equals 1 as well, or is it okay to handle only the n equals 0? Is there any need
We
to
have to
handle?
do
Mhm.
both. I mean, we
yeah.
have to do the both. If 0 factorial is 1 and 1 factorial is
One
1,
factor is
so
also
Why?
we can do
But
if
one.
why?
n double
But
equals
why with the need? Because every number will
Because if
expand.
you
See, every number will expand till end, till up to 1. 6 will goes up to 1. 7 will goes up to 1. 0 is only the edge case, right? Okay,
yeah,
no worries.
okay,
If n equals 0 or n equal 1, then what we have to return it?
one.
You are missing the colon here. Yeah. We have to return the,
one,
right, yeah, right, return 1. Return 1. Now run this. Oh, what are you doing this? No, only return 1. Return, not like this. Only
yeah,
return 1.
just
Return, yeah, 1. Yeah, that's it, right? Run this. Okay, now call that
yeah,
function. Factorial of 5. Of 5. Insert 5. Run this.
it can give any output because we are, if you only given case if n is equals to 0 or 1.
Right?
We should
We
write
have to
the else
write
as
the
Yeah,
else case as well. So after the return
yeah,
1, yeah, after the return 1, else return n cross n minus 1. Return n into n, because it's what, decreasing, right? N cross 5
yes,
yeah,
n
cross
into
4
n
cross 3,
minus
yeah.
1.
N cross n minus 1. N minus 1 will be in the braces. Sorry, not of n minus 1, factorial of, delete it.
okay,
N cross, no, n cross
n into factorial of n minus
Yeah,
1.
n cross factorial. The above function. Name the above function factorial of n minus 1. Yeah, this one. Now run this. Yeah, 120.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Factorial
the
of 5.
factorial of 5 is 5 cross 4. How much is gonna be 20? 20 cross 3 is gonna be the 60. 60 cross 2.
Yeah.
120 cross 1. 120, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Factorial of 0. Right. Instead of 5, enter 0.
1.
Fine. Factorial of 1.
Yeah.
Factorial of 1. Write it the
That is
factorial.
0.
1, right? Okay.
1. Yeah.
In the above condition, if n equals 0 or n equals 1, delete n equals 1. There will be only f n if n equals 0. Yeah, this one. Now run this.
Yeah. Same.
Check
1.
factorial of 5 again. Got it? So
120.
you
Yeah.
can handle n equals 0 or n equals 1. If you have just missed the n equals 1, this is already fitted in, like it goes up to 5. Let's suppose if you are going to calculate the factorial of a 5, so 5 will expand till 1, right?
Mm.
0 is in a special
Yeah.
case, that's why we have handled it first. N equals 0 return 1. Got it?
Yeah.
Is it clear? So you can add
Yeah.
up the edge case of n equals 1, or you can skip as well, right? That's
Skip
not okay.
as well. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
So is it clear how we can make
Yes.
Yeah.
this?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have to write a functions logic to develop exponential e to the power x. I think you guys know about the exponential, right?
Yeah.
Is it clear or not? Exponential base exponent.
Yes.
Yeah.
Panchajanya, share screen.
Yeah.
Vamsi, you
Okay, just a
please
second.
put your down screen. First, let me know the basic, the logic behind the exponential e to the power x. So what is e? E is an base to the power x. X is what? Exponent. A to the power b. A is a base. B is what? Exponent,
Easy.
right? Panchajanya?
Yeah.
Yes.
So we have to make a logic for this using the def function. Yeah. Define the exponential function def exp. We can route exp. Inside there will be two variable, a comma b, or
Yeah,
you can
E
take
and X.
no, you can take a b e. You can take ex. No worries, ex, right? E comma x, right? Yeah. Now let me know how we can write up this thing.
Suppose anything power 0 is 1.
So 1 is the edge case, right?
Yes.
The minimum, so the minimum positive value we can say to the power x will be the 1. 0 to the power something 1. 1 to the power something will be 1. Okay? I'm not talking about in the minus. So we have to make a variable where we have to store our this edge case result. So the result will be the 1. Make result equals 1. No. After the def exponential, after this def, we have to make a variable result.
Okay.
Result equals 1. I am going to store inside the result 1 already, not 0, 1.
Sorry.
Now we have to use the for loop. Okay, we have to use the for loop. So use for. Can I use I? Iter
You
variable.
can use.
Okay,
Yeah.
use it for I in range of x. Result equals to result into E. Cross E, and we have to return the result. Cross E, we have to return the result. Return result. Now run this. Oh, we have missed something. For I in range X, there will be the
Oh,
colon.
sorry.
You have added the semicolon. Yeah. Okay. Now call that function. In okay. Exp again braces. We have to make two variables. 2 comma 3.
Yes, 2 cube is 8.
Yeah.
3 comma 2.
Should be 9. Yeah.
Yeah.
Working
Yeah.
fine.
Yes.
So this is what about the def functions, right? Okay.
Mhm.
So I think we have done a lot of practice for the def function. Is it clear how to use it, the def
Yeah.
function?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
the main thing. This is very important thing, this def function in Python development, even in the data science, data analytics, or the data engineering thing. When we will write the automate something, we have to use this def function, right? So you should know, guys, like how we can utilize some different logic using this def function. Whenever a user need a kind of a function as per their need, we have to design our logic inside this def function, and that we have to call the different def functions, right? Got it. So this
Yeah.
is very
Yeah.
important topic. Okay. Okay. So right now I'm moving ahead. So def we have completed. Now I'm moving into the lambda functions. Okay. I'm going to share my screen. Vamsi, already we have discussed the lambda function. So what is the
Mhm.
meaning of the lambda functions?
uh, Lambda functions we use for them for any temporary operations or to perform specific task, and it lambda function has only one expression and can have any number of arguments, but only has one expression.
But why we need that lambda functions, man? We have a def functions, right? Why we need that lambda functions?
When we need to perform just for that case, like
Whenever we have a requirement to create a function inline, we would have to use lambda functions. There is some specification inside the lambda functions. Lambda functions can only have a one expression. Note it down, only have the one expression, but there may be a different number of arguments. You can write only the one expression. Lambda functions allowed only and only one expressions, but can have multiple argument. Is it clear? So whenever we
yeah.
have a requirement to like use a kind of a inline function, we will use the lambda function. We will simply call the lambda functions. Again, the lambda is in a keyword, right? This is what a method, you can say that lambda, you can see it's going to be highlighted here, right? I want to make a equals to a plus 19, right? Okay.
What's the syntax for the lambda?
This is what a keyboard, this is
Q,
what
yeah,
an
lambda is a key.
expression, and this
Okay.
and this a is known as a argument.
Yeah.
Is it clear? This is known as
Okay.
a keyword, you can say the
Yeah,
method as well,
lambda
or
is
you
a
can say the
keyword.
lambda
Yeah.
functions. This is known as the expression, and this is what, this a is what argument,
Argument.
right? Calling that lambda functions, how we can call that lambda function? We have to store in a particular parameter in a variable, let's suppose x, and then we have to call that x of 12. Now this 12 is a value of a. When
Okay.
you will just click on the 12, see a, right, signifies
Yeah.
the value of 12 is goes up to the a, right? 12 plus 19 gives you the thing of 31, right? Is it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a very simple thing. The use cases of a lambda functions: event handling, data processing, functional programming. Whenever there is a kind of a event handling things, lambda functions can be used an event handler, such as a button clicks or keyboard inputs. When you will do the some specifications, kind of like if you are building a kind of a like software, we are writing the code snippet in the Python programming. So somewhere we like the event handling, click on the buttons, generate buttons, click the link, generate link, such kind of a event we can generate using the lambda functions. So the specification and the use cases, like we don't need to have write again and again using the def functions, because def functions require 2 or 3 line of code snippet, right? So we can skip that part. Directly we can use the lambda function. Clear, Panchajanya?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. But in
Okay.
functions also we can give different number of arguments, right?
Yeah, we can give the different number of argument. I'm just taking one example.
Using asterisk, right? Let
Yeah,
me try.
let's suppose I want to make a variable v equals to lambda, and there will be the a comma b comma c, right? Taking the expression, I want to just add up something: a plus b plus c, right? Again,
Yeah.
same thing. Inside the print, we have to call that v of the parameters, all the parameters, right? 1 comma 2 comma 3, having only the one expression, right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
3 arguments. And this is what lambda method, we can say the lambda functions, that is what keyword. Got it? It's as
Yeah.
simple, nothing else we have to do. Okay, and one more thing, in this what I have shared you, this Google Colab, you can just go up to there above. There is a list, Python, tuples, sets, everything, right? How we can create, how we can modify each and everything. Got it? So I will not discuss in details. This is up to you. This is kind of a homework. All kinds of data types, like data structured, which is present in the Python: list, tuples, dictionary, and set. You have to make your ready by yourself. If you got stuck anywhere, I will let you know. I will help out, sure, right? Over the Monday. On Monday onwards, I'm going to hit the different topics, right? Some Python base classes and objects concepts, little bit over the oops concepts. This
Okay.
is not much required in the field of a data analysis and a data science, but yeah, we will cover it because it's the parts of a basic of Pythons, and then we will cover it, and then we will move up into the some intermediate level of Python: NumPy, Matplotlib, Pandas, and Seaborn in the next week.
Okay.
Okay, so this is
Okay.
gonna be the your homework to set up the
List
list,
tuple
tuple, dictionary,
conditional.
and set. It's already above. You can check it out here, right? Already we have covered all these things above. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, you have to
So
give this.
one doubt is like the lambda is mainly used for like for different expressions, right? Like
Yeah,
okay, okay.
let's
The
suppose
function.
you have to perform the addition and the subtraction using the simple def function. Then you will create 6 line of code, at least the 4 to
Yes,
6.
yes, yes. Yeah, yeah.
Lambda functions,
Okay.
you can simply go maybe the 2 lines of a code,
Just one line. Yeah, one line or
one
two lines.
expression,
Mhm.
one
Yeah.
expressions for addition, one expression for
Subtraction.
subtraction. Can we add in a single lambda function the 2 expression for addition and multiplication? No, not allowed.
No.
Only one expression, right? Got it? So
Yeah.
the code write to code snippet is easy as comparable to def functions. Okay. So
Okay.
this is what a use case for the lambda functions, right? Nothing else is there in the lambda functions. Got it?
Okay.
No.
It's fine. So there's like 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. You guys can check out what we have did till now,
Let's list tuples
right?
dictionary.
List, tuple, dictionary, and set as well, right?
Okay.
And from
Yeah.
we will discuss these things on Monday, and Tuesday onwards from next week we will start the NumPy array. Okay, we will start the NumPy array and pandas. Okay, so that next week is going to be very interesting for you guys because it's a new topic for you. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
And beside of this
Monday.
training, yeah, tell me.
Monday is oops, like oops basic concepts, and
Yeah,
Tuesday
oops, basic
we'll
concept,
start.
and Monday we will
Okay.
discuss the list tuples and dictionary, because you no the thing is you have to cover it by yourself. If you have
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
any
Those are a
doubt,
bit easy as well.
yeah,
List
you have
double.
any doubt, then we will
Mhm.
discuss this thing. If you don't have it out, then we skip,
Sure.
and then we will directly move into the numpy pandas. Oh, sorry, the oops concept,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
Tuesday onwards we will use the numpy pandas, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Beside of
Yeah.
this training, you guys just can start making the some logic building concepts like def functions. We can say the uh, little bit of small projects as well over the
Small. Yeah.
Python, right?
Yeah.
You can go over Google, YouTube, whatever you want to use the resources online. You can go up there for your best practices, right? More you will involve in the coding part, more you will involve in the like practices. It will get to you like the more interesting thing, right? That's why.
Mm.
Okay, fine. So till now, is
Yeah.
any doubt in this today's session you guys have?
No.
No.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay then. We will meet on Monday, right? If you
Yeah.
guys
Yeah.
have any
Okay.
doubt, any
Yeah.
queries, you guys can connect to later on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Just
Bye.
share this list tuples once again. The code.
It's in above already. Okay, I will
Okay.
share
Okay.
it.
Okay.
I will
Okay.
share it again,
Yeah.
right? No worries.
Yeah. Sure.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll meet on Monday, right? Thank you. Thank you for joining the
Yeah.
session, man. Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Thank you.